Hi, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable this button right here where it says Edit Query. So this is going to show up only for admin users and if you're logged in and kind of viewing the front end of your website. So normally this is going to show up if you have something built with the query builder or you have something using like the listing grid. This little thing is going to come up. So in some cases, this can be very helpful if you need to be able to edit a query right on the page. So there have been cases where we've had clients that click this button and they don't know what it is and they get a little confused and they could possibly make a change in here and kind of mess up a lot of things. So you could disable this really easy with one little code snippet. So let me show you how easy it is to drop in. First, what I recommend is installing this code snippet plugin right here. This is the one I've been using for many years and it's my favorite code snippet plugin. So after you have that installed, you're going to jump over into this new tab called Snippets. Just click Add New, and then just give it a title. We're going to say something like Disable Edit Query Button. Just something that is you're going to remember. And you're just going to paste that in right here. And then in this case, you can just keep it at Run Snippet Everywhere. And you just hit Save Changes and Activate. So that's all you have to do right here on the back end. So now when you go to the front end of the website, you can see the buttons here. Now when you hit refresh, the button's going to disappear. So that's all it's going to take in order to disable that new Edit Query button inside of JetEngine. Thank you for watching.